Hi besties, this is Cristina here, your favorite esthetician, and I'm here to tell you everything that I know about the Medicube Booster Pro machine. Today we're gonna go in depth about this machine from Medicube. This is definitely more than a beauty device. This is 6 different technologies in one device. This is the reason why I really, as an esthetician, I love learning about this product, because I realized that this could supplement anyone's skincare routine and take it to the next level. We'll be talking about how to use it, what are the different modes inside of it, what do each of the modes work for, and of course I'm gonna share my best pro tips so you can get the best results with this product. Without further ado, let's glow up together. Okay, we gotta start first this video talking about what is the Medicube Pro device. What is this? Medicube Age-R Booster Pro is a microcurrent device designed to rejuvenate and firm your skin. This uses radio frequency energy to stimulate collagen productions and other results as well, turning this into a really good tool for anti-aging. But what makes this a standout product is that it's not only RF, which is radio frequency, it also has EMS, which is electrical muscle stimulation. Let me explain you what this is all about. RF is the heat technology that it actually heats up the deeper layers of your skin. While it's doing this, is also boosting collagen, but then on the other side we have EMS, which is electromuscle stimulation. And this kind of technology, like I said, it targets most the muscles versus the skin. And this is really what's gonna give you that lifted and sculpted look to the face, which a lot of people love. If you think about it, this is an esthetician's best friend because it includes 6 different technologies that we use for different kind of results. Now that you know a little bit more about it, let's talk exactly how to use this. Like I mentioned, this machine has 6 different modes, so actually let's go mode by mode and let's talk about what would be the best way for you to use it. Starting with the booster mode, this is the first mode of this machine, and this is also the most well-known mode of this machine. It can go all the way up to level 5. And this mode, what it does is basically help you absorb the skincare products better on your skin. It uses electroporation, so a little bit of electricity to open up a channel on your skin that allows for the skincare to go deeper in the layers of the skin. This is amazing if you match it with serums, ampoules, any kind of liquid skincare product that are gonna be easily absorbed by your skin after you use this mode. My pro tip would be using this with a vitamin A or a niacinamide serum. In that sense, it also helps break down the molecules of the product so that your skin can absorb it easier. And it's just super easy to apply the serum and then swipe these all over your face. This is best for dull, dehydrated skin. So if this is you, definitely focus on using the booster mode. My advice as well about the levels would be to start always at level 1 or 2 and see how that feels on your skin. If it feels like too much, don't go higher. If it doesn't feel like it's doing too much, maybe we'll go 1 or 2 more levels, and you're definitely going to see better result the higher the levels you go. Then from the booster mode, and just so you can see, the booster mode has the red light on top, and also red light helps with decreasing acne and also helping with inflammation as well. So it helps get 2 in 1 in that sense. Then we go into the second mode, which is the microcurrent mode, and this one also goes all the way up to 5. The clock starts acting as soon as you put it on your face. But basically what this does is the voluminizing and firming mode. As I mentioned earlier, this uses electrical muscle stimulation to lift up the muscle versus not just the skin. This, what it does is basically a gentle stimulation of areas that they usually have wrinkles, so like the eyes. You can also use this on the cheeks. A lot of people use this to lift up the face. And it will give you a plumper look, actually, if you use it properly. My advice would be to always use it with any kind of conductive serum, or if you apply a serum, apply this before that, and then make sure that the product doesn't glide on dry on your skin. Also start in the lowest intensity with this one so you don't overstimulate the skin. Make sure that you have any kind of conductive serum. It could be also, if you don't have any kind of conductive serum, you can also use a regular ultrasonic gel. This is something just like an ultrasound imaging gel that you can just put, and for this mode, the way that you apply it is you don't have to do circular motions like the booster mode, but you can actually do vertical lines to shape the muscle in that direction that you want it to go. So of course we wanted our face to be lifted and look pretty and young, so we go from here all the way up in this motion. There you go. Now we go to the Derma Shot mode, and this is our second red mode. This also goes all the way up to level 5, as you can see right there. So what this does, it sends mid-frequency pulses, and these pulses, basically what they're doing is pushing in any kind of skincare, and when they retract back, because it's like a pulsation like this, when it retracts back, it holds and it tightens the skin in a way that it's gonna help you with like fine lines. So this is a specific mode. I love to do it specifically only around the eye area because I feel like it lifts the most and it gives the best results for the fine line areas. You can use this for sculpting as well, so you can use it on the cheek line, on the jawline, in any different areas that you would like to sculpt a little bit. Same thing, same recommendation, start with the lower setting and then go up to level 5. And if you want to see some noticeable results with sculpting, definitely use this mode on the highest setting and use it 2 to 3 times a week. That would be my recommendation if you definitely want to see like a fast, advanced result. And this is great for facial contouring and any kind of sagging skin. So we all experience that as soon as we start growing older, so definitely you gotta be prepared for that. So we did booster mode, then we did MC, the microcurrent mode, then we did the derma shot mode, which is the EMS, which is electrical muscle stimulation. And now we're gonna go to the electric needles mode. This is the air shot mode, and this uses an electric needle to recreate a microneedling effect on the skin. Basically what it's doing is with the same electricity that it uses in different modes, it's creating micro channels, but a more intense level than the booster mode. This is definitely non-damaging and it helps improve elasticity of the skin over time. Plus with this mode, it's also boosting product absorption. So this would be a mode that I would recommend to do maybe once a month to just help you with the overall routine. This is great for anybody who's struggling with like texture on your face, or if you're struggling with like too big pores. This is giving you that same effect of microneedling without having to apply any kind of needle to your face. And I love to use this with a calming serum, especially around my T area or right here that I get a lot of pores, only once a week, and it works really, really good, honestly. Also, something else that I don't know if you know, but with the app, you can actually customize the color of the LED light, and this is when it becomes the 5th different mode. So beyond using all of those 4 modes that we just talked about, this is at the same time giving you an LED light effect, which if you didn't know, it has different effects depending on the color of the light itself. So if we switch to the modes, we see that the color is also changing, so each of the modes is giving you a different effect. And then if you want to customize your LED absorption, you can also go on the app and change, let's say, booster mode. If you want it to be more for blue, for killing bacteria, you can change it to be blue booster mode instead of red booster mode. That was just another thing that I was like impressed, because it's not just those 4 different modes, it's also LED machine on top of all of that. Definitely it's not like, let's say, as impactful as a bigger LED machine. I would say something like these. Definitely this has a lot more LEDs and it covers a bigger area, but she works and she does the job. This is all that you need to know, at least for this specific machine. Let me tell you some pro tips that you're gonna wanna know when you're using the Medicube Age-R Booster Pro device. This is the advice that as an esthetician I want you to know so you can have the best results in your skin. Definitely number 1 would be prepping for success. Make sure that you cleanse and then of course do a gentle exfoliation, maybe like a enzyme, AHA kind of mask, something like that. That would be a really good kind of prepping, so then the products that you apply and the techniques that you do with these, you get the best results after. Number 2 is definitely consistency is the key. With a machine like this, you definitely have to have a routine that you're gonna use it. If you download the app, they actually help you creating that routine in your calendar. It's super helpful because it shows you Monday to Friday which modes should you be using, and then also how long do you have to use them for. It's very easy to just follow the routine that they give you. For example, for me, definitely usually Mondays is my air shot mode, and then we start from there and do boosting every other day, and then the EMS I think twice a week for EMS. I think that's what my app recommended me. But depending on the results that you're trying to get with these, the app is going to recommend you the specific routine for you so you can use it. in combination with the skincare that you're already applying, of course. Don't forget about your skincare, mama, because it's not just this little machine. Tip number 3 would be to avoid any kind of sensitive area. So when you're using this product, make sure that you don't pass it on top of your eyes, you don't pass it on top of your thyroids. I think those are 2 sensitive areas that you should always avoid, especially when you're using electrocurrent stimulation machines. It's just a recommendation as an esthetician. I would never pass something that could alter your thyroids and things like that. So keep it far from here and keep it far from your eyes, of course. And also, if you have any kind of inflamed acne or like a spot that you like cut and it's open and it's like bleeding or something, don't put it up there. You don't want to make it worse. And of course, tip number 4 would be to pair these with really good skincare. Medicube themselves, they sell really good toners and really good skincare products. Incorporating good skincare, of course, always help the device that you're using. This is just gonna help you absorb better the skincare, so you need really good skincare. Two products that I would definitely recommend if you're already shopping on the Medicube shop. If you're already on the Medicube website and you want to get some really good products as well in combination with the Booster Pro, I would recommend for sure these 2. This is their Medicube Pink Toner. This is their PDRN toner, and that it's basically a derivative of exosomes, which are very, very famous right now in all of Asia and in the skincare market as well. And then I would also recommend the Medicube Vita C. This is their Deep Vita C Capsule Cream, and I love the name, and it is really a capsule cream because it has mini capsules inside, but it's also a cream. It's literally like a vitamin C cream, but when you put it out, it includes those little vitamin C little balls that then you mix with the gel, and it just feels deliciously amazing. So now these 2 are a really good combo with the Booster Pro. Definitely screenshot these, and this is basically all you need to get from Medicube to get really good skincare results. And that's it, mis amores. We talk a lot about this cute little device. It also comes in a pink color as well. I have the pink one in my personal bathroom. This is my filming studio. I use this one for my clients and then the pink one for myself. Whenever I'm traveling, I just love how the pink one looks. It's just cute. But definitely, I would also recommend if you're looking to buy this product, one little advice, like this kind of advice goes against me as a creator and as an influencer. Usually I would say use the link down below so you can shop it in my Amazon link and I would get a little bit of a commission. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, if you shop this on TikTok shop, it doesn't have to be specifically on my page, but on TikTok shop, they recently have been including a lot better discounts and deals that, for example, it will bring you this cream for free if you buy this product, or maybe these 2 creams plus 3 other creams from Medicube, of course, if you buy this product. So when you think about it, buying it on TikTok shop might be the best deal, I think. And it's not really the way that you're supporting me and my channel and everything, but I just want to be transparent with you and tell you, if you are looking to buy this, definitely check it out on TikTok shop because that's the best deal in terms of products and the device by itself. But if you're trying to just buy the device by itself and you love everything that you learned in this video, I am going to be leaving an Amazon link down below that I do get a little bit of a commission from it. So definitely check that out. Help me. It's a way that you are gonna get really good results on your skin, but you're also gonna support me and my channel. So thank you for doing that. Click it down below. With these products, I would say always remember that consistency is key. Pair it with a really good skincare routine. Make sure that you use it consistently and use it in those ways that I taught you about. So like not here in the middle, not circles when you're doing the microcurrent, more lines upwards. Those little tips will give you really good results with any skincare routine that you have. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. And if you want to get a facial with me, I'm also going to be leaving the link where you can book facials with me, and you will see me use this on you so you can try it out for yourself, but at the same time you're going to see the effects that it does when you mix that plus all of the learnings that I have with skincare. I'm literally getting ready because I have a facial in a little bit right now. But let me know in the comments down below if you have any other questions, and I'll see you in the next one, mis amores. Bye.